This is a sound machine, night light, speaker, sunrise wake up alarm clock. Basically, it's everything in one cute little device and I love it. I was sent this to review from MindOasis. It is really lightweight and compact, a very cute look to any desk or bedside table. This is not wireless, you're gonna have to plug it in back here. Power it on here. Woo! So here's the sound bar. That is so cool. You can tap to go through the different lights. Hold it to stop the music. On the opposite side of the sound is the light control, so we can swipe it to dim it, and we can swipe it up to make it brighter. Oh my gosh, the functions on here alone are really great. So if you're giving this to a child who doesn't have a phone to control it, they can do all the basics on here, which are plenty. Really great with the instructions right on the back. But now let's test out the app. UZZ MindOasis connected. Then you go to the app that you downloaded, whether iOS or Android. Once you've registered, you're gonna connect to the MindOasis, and now you can control everything. We can control the brightness and then your volume. You can set a routine, create, let's see. Meditation, reading, sleeping, yoga, or custom. With each of these, it'll give you a suggestion, but you could customize it. The light effect, brightness, the audio it's gonna play, and the duration it's gonna play, and then of course the time that you want it to come on. Wow, so cool. You can do alarm and sunset. So many things. So you can look at the quick start to see some meditation options, singing bowl healing, sound healing, body scan.
Welcome to your meditation moment. We're going to do a 10-minute stress reduction meditation.
Progressive relaxation.
Welcome to your meditation moment. Today, we'll do a progressive muscle relaxation exercise to release the stress and the fatigue accumulate in your body.
Soothing soft piano music. Breath soothing. Oh, look at the lighting here. Rainbow candy. Stargazing at Everest. And go over to the sleep modes. Soothing lullaby. Oh, this is great for a baby. Yoga Nidra deep sleep.
Welcome to your meditation moment in a quiet and gentle.
Morning revitalization. Soothing sunset beach. Wow, that lighting is so cool. Pink coast. Spring drizzle. Night rain outside the window. Stream tracing in the valley. Warm bonfire. And it's going on the back as well, FYI. Beach bonfire. Lavender. And breath guided sleep.
Welcome to your meditation moment. In this bedtime meditation practice,
If we go to yoga, we have Saturday morning, afternoon soothing, Lighting, Awakening. Misty Forest. Magical Aurora. Sky Mirror. Reading Books. Friday Evening. And Custom. You can create gradient lighting. Ooh, this is so cool. Save. Very cool. That's the custom lighting I just made. Oh, so cool. And then again, you can still control here by swiping down or up. And then don't forget, it is a clock as well, featuring 2 3-watt full-range speakers for a surround 360 hi-fi sound. If we go down to the library, you can see the bedtime stories, and it has new ones each week. You've got bedtime stories, you've got children's stories, and classic stories.
Never yet told
The
this
Little
story.
Prince. We also have mood healing. We have anxiety, anger, pain, fear. So many, wow. So here are the nature. We'll do spring rain. Ambient, animal, and then you can mix them. Oh my gosh, the customizations here are just incredible. Now we're gonna do a sunrise alarm clock, and we will set it, we'll do for 1 minute. Here's our sunrise alarm. I have it set for the light to last a minute, so over the period of 1 minute, it's gonna gradually go through the sunrise colors and get brighter. Such a nice and gentle way to wake up every morning. I love the sunrise alarm clock idea. It has 108 LED beads offering 26 ambient lighting effects. Great as a nightlight, reading light, yoga, meditation lights, and more. There are themed scene modes with 20 levels of brightness and volume, which you can control on the lamp itself or your phone. The sunrise alarm clock increases the brightness gradually for a more natural wake up. On the flip side, it has a sunset sleep mode where it'll adjust the color to simulate a sunset gradually as it approaches bedtime. On the app, you can even schedule it so it'll change the lighting color and brightness depending on your routine, with 40 soothing sounds, and you can play your own music via Bluetooth as well. Not gonna lie, it can be a bit overwhelming trying to learn all of the customizations on the app. It's just, there are so many with all the routines and the stories and the alarms and all, oh my gosh, so many things. But don't forget, you can use it very simply right here, or you can go like all in with the app. Just so many options. It's a gorgeous lamp. I absolutely love it, and I know you will too.